Hey guys, we are here in Helium 10 and I'm going to be talking about Misspellinator. Okay, we're already in Misspellinator. You've got a little side tab, you can open it and close it depending on if you want to access the tools. But there's some new features that I want to talk to you about that I'm super excited about. So Misspellinator, I make a ton of money off of misspellings. I've mentioned this a lot of times, but it finds all the juiciest misspellings for you. So let's just type in some keywords here. Let's put in hunting knife and horse. Okay, just throw in some different things. Filter common words down here. This is always checked. It removes words like the, a, if, that kind of stuff. So if I put the hunting knife, right, I leave this on and I prepare it, you'll see that it removed the. It only put hunting, knife, and horse. So I'm going to select these all, okay, and I'm going to run Misspellinator on it, and it's done. It's super fast. It's crazy fast. Now, it's going to show the results. It's going to show all the misspellings for the three keywords that I put in there. So we got hunting, we got knife down here, and then at the bottom we got horse. Now, what's really cool, this is the best part about Misspellinator, is it shows you the percentage of times that a person that misspells the word actually uses this version. So hunting, for example, without the G, is misspelled 17.6% of the time. When somebody misspells it, that is the version that they spell it as. And then you got hunting here without the N, hunting reversed, and so forth. Okay. The cool new feature that we have that we didn't have before is now it's actually checking Amazon automatically for you before we had to do this manually to see if Amazon is auto-correcting for you, okay? And if it says no, that's great. Amazon's auto-correcting. No, we want these. We automatically pre-check the ones that are good for you, okay? Hunting, it says yes. That means Amazon is automatically auto-correcting. So I'm going to give you an example of how this works. So I'm copying hunting because that one says it's auto-corrected, right? So if I go over here and I type in hunting, okay, hit enter, it changes it. It says 1 of 16 of 1.6 million results for hunting. Okay, so it's actually auto-correcting. It's not showing hunting. So that's what I mean by that. Now, if we go back and we use hooting, okay, and we paste that in there, and we hit enter, you'll see there's only 114 results of hooting. It's actually showing the misspelled versions, okay? So that's how cool this is. You don't have to do that manually anymore. It saves a lot of time. These are all pre-checked. All I have to do is just hit copy, and they're copied, and now I can paste them into whatever I want, most likely over here into Frankenstein, all right? There is one other little thing here. I always say don't use misspellings that are below 10%, okay, in popularity. But we set it a little bit lower for those that might want to go a little bit lower. If it's under 5%, then we don't check Amazon to see if it's auto-corrected, okay? We don't waste any server time to do that. You can still go and check these manually if you want, but you will see if it's under 5%. It says not checked under 5%, all right? Down here we got horse. You can see that this one here, this misspelling, is 65.2% of the time how it's misspelled. So this is an awesome keyword. If I was doing, let me give you a good example of this actually. If I was selling, let's say, horse saddle. So I'm going to copy this one, this misspelling, okay? And let's say if I type in horse saddle and I do a search, okay, shows 44,000 results. Okay, so you're going to have some competition in here, right? There's 44,000. Now, if I put in the misspelling, the way most people misspell horse, like that, and I do a search, only 9 results, guys. That's it. I only have 9 people I have to compete with. How easy would that be to be number one? Pretty easy. Look at none of these have, well, almost none of them have reviews down at the very bottom, but it's actually, no, sorry. The first 9 have no result, no reviews. And right here is where they start showing the actual corrected version of the term. You can see results for horse saddle. So if I'm selling horse saddles, and I have this misspelling in here, I'll be number one because I'll have some reviews and I'll be getting all of those sales. Low-hanging fruit. So that's it, guys. It should be used on every single major keyword that you have. It's super impressive, pretty awesome. Does the auto checking for you now. It's a new feature that we just added. So get in there, start cranking, copy these things, and then bring them into Frankenstein. All right. We have new features in Frankenstein as well. So check those out.